Oh, everybody's getting horny. Right, we need to start moving because my specs have steamed up. Destination unknown.
We're going to do it, goes back in onto the M9.
I might have to take the liner out of this bloody suit on the stop. It was a shame I couldn't join you the other day there.
It was a good run. It was a good run. It was roasting, like.
Oh yeah, he's got a sidecar. Did you see that bike? He's got a sidecar fitted to it.
Steam guys using them when they go camping.
Aye.
They were up to 18 degrees, it's only half 10. And I used to be 22 degrees by the time we lunchtime comes.
Aye. There's the blue sky coming out now.
Yeah. I said it was going to clear up, like, that's why I was confident of where I'm going.
Yeah.
As long as you stay away from the west coast is chucking it down there just about 1 o'clock.
Is it? Every time we come down here, these lights are always at red. And that's some swimming pool there.
Aye. Shows you how much water with them.
We're in a drought. Bollocks. Oh, here we go. Surprised it's picked us up. Remember that day it didn't pick us up?
Yeah, let's start waving at it. It's still going to work. See it. Gonna see it. I see it.
Aye, we're feet down.
Definitely playing up. By lunchtime we'll be roasting.
Pure roast it. Oh, I took the bike to work the other night there. My back shift.
Alright.
These lights are brilliant in the dark.
You're not going to light the place up, isn't it?
Aye, it's like driving your car. I didn't pass many cars, but one of them flashed me, so I just put the full beam
because
back
it will be
on.
quite bright. At night time it will be bright.
Aye. But only one car flashed me, so I just stuck full beam on them.
What I did, or what I looked at night if I was driving, I maybe just pushed it down a wee bit.
Yeah.
And just push it back up the next day.
Well, mine are just mine sit just below the throw of the main beam.
Well, mine sit below if I put my beam on.
Aye, no, mine sit below my main beam.
It probably works out with the same.
Aye. It's a full beam that really throws it at good distance.
Really, this year was the first time on the motorway for me. What was that last year?
Last year.
Last year.
We first time motorway bubble.
I don't care. I just find it boring, that's all.
Our board.
But that's the quickest way to get up through stuff like that. Then we'll build the motorway and go back on it.
That's some feat engineering that,
It's a lot of deal.
Aye.
Pretty spectacular to be fair.
Yeah. I've read on the forums about people complaining about these bikes being vibey on the handlebars and foot pegs. I've never ever felt that.
I get it. I definitely get it. See if I'm doing about 5,500 reps.
Aye.
I can feel it in my foot pegs and handles.
No, I can't.
Definitely feel it. I mean, it's no major, but it's definitely there. When I look in my mirror, I can see my mirror's vibrating. You know what I mean?
See, mine aren't. Mine are as smooth as butter.
I only get it at 5,500 reps.
Yeah.
If I drop down to 5 or cut to 6, it disappears.
You're saying you're getting it in fifth?
Eh?
You say you're getting it in fifth gear?
It doesn't matter, I don't care about it. If it's, like, I get it about 5,500 reps.
Aye.
And the only time you notice it is when you're in 5th or 6th. Because
No, I'm not getting it.
you're in it for longer, because you're on a motorway. Yeah, I mean, like, you don't notice it saying 3rd or 4th, but you just pass through it. You know what I mean?
No, I'm not getting it at all, and I dropped it into fifth.
I definitely get it. I feel it now. The whole bike's vibrating a wee bit now.
Yeah. Just as well you're not a female, because you'd be all wet and moist.
Aye.
Mind you, you could be all semi and hard right enough. It's starting to brighten up out here.
Yep. Must be bright sunshine by 1 o'clock.
Lovely.
We're taking the 84 towards Callander. I think there's a...
Take a right if you want to go to the services to fix your plugs.
No. We're still putting the roads up. Never mind, stop
Right.
the services yet.
No worries.
There's a park spot up here. I'll jump into that. It's not far away.
This idiot in front is indicating left for me to pass him. I'll decide when I'm going to pass you, pal, no you. Nice fast stretch up here.
Yeah,
Past them.
plenty of there if you want to go there. Not coming.
Honestly, he was trying to get me to pass him back there where it was quite tight, eh?
It's probably not, he's probably just trying to be funny.
No, he's just trying to be nice, eh, but...
Yeah.
We'll think for ourselves.
Right, there we go.
I'm going to wind the suspension down on this as well, eh? Make it a bit softer. Stand. I had that on camera settings, eh?
Ah,
So I was taking pictures when I was turning it on. Right, that's your earplugs sorted. Noisy boy.
let me know when you're ready.
Oh, aye, that's lower.
So it's not coming. Jimmy should go around the safari park on our motorbikes. People lives chasers.
Aye. See who gets eaten first.
See you last the longest.
Aye.
Ah, just because somebody else hit me right in the face. Not much to wait in safari, but not.
Hi boys.
They're on this way.
Oh, I've never been down this way.
Either not. But that's where places take me, so. Roads less travelled.
That's a good thing with the bike though, eh? You get to explore roads that you've never been on before.
Yeah. Well, let's see where it takes us.
Aye.
I think we have to turn left here.
What?
No, we can't be going that way.
No.
Can't be that one. Must be this one.
Aye, next one, this one here.
Ah, we're just following it through. Just following it through, that's what it is. It's not left turn. It's just not left brake. A lovely wee cottage in the middle of nowhere.
Aye.
That's an easy village, yes. It's Doon.
Lovely,
That's
eh?
it. It's called Doon.
Doon. Aye, we normally skirt round the other side here. That's nice, eh? Nice and clean.
Yeah, lovely.
See, I like these
Yeah.
little villages and that, eh?
Yeah, it's beauty.
Unfortunately, we just live in the urban jungle.
Sweet. Got into Callander the back way. I set this all up last night, so I can't even mind what it. Well, it's 20 degrees now, so that'll be accurate. Cause
Yes.
for a bit.
Aye, I say 20 as well. Straight over here?
Right, we're taking a right turn here.
Well, a right turn now. It looks straight over on the map. Nice empty roads, John. Just what I like.
Well, that's for you. If you do it the way I did it, it kind of takes you into roads that are, I keep saying roads less travelled, and that's exactly what they are.
Yeah.
My goal is to do all the roads from about Fife and Lochnair and Central Belt, because there's some other lovely ones as well. I
Yeah.
did one the other day, I went along Carp Valley Reservoir. It's a beautiful road.
Uh-huh.
Single track road goes for about 27, 28 miles. It was great.
Yeah.
Not so on it.
That's what you want though, eh? You don't want to be on roads that are busy. When they're busy, they're full of idiots.
There you go. The back way in the calendar.
Bad wee houses up here, eh?
Boy, these will put a fortune up here.
Aye.
Well, look how nice it is up here, right?
Yeah.
Look at Livingston. Livingston's a shithole, man. It's a wee place they can afford to go on the grass cup and keep the place hometown.
Mm-hmm. Ah, so this is
Back
where
on
it
the
brings
Callander
us
Main
out.
Street.
Aye.
Nice hill start. I've not done one of these in a while.
Well, I'll keep back then, eh?
Nah, I'll be fine. So there you go, that's the back road into Callander.
Aye. Oh, you done that perfect, John.
Bother.
Apart from leaving your indicator on. The back road into Callander. That was a great wee road, that. Hello. Don't wave.
Aye, it's a different way to come, isn't it? But it's
Aye.
nice road. We get a lot here and then we'll stop up there for a wee cup of tea. It's not far from here.
That hole in the wall has been there for months, you know that. Why don't they just fix the bloody thing?
We were up the last time it was there.
A couple of days would see that fixed. Day to build it up and a day to point it. Not even a day to point it.
Right, stopping at Loch Lubnaig, have a look.
Aye.
It's lovely in here.
It's lovely, eh? Loch Lubnaig.
Yeah.
I'm just going to reverse in here. It's alright here, eh?
It's a beautiful place. When my kids were tiny, they used to live here and they used to go swimming. We used to just sit there and in their days there was none of this. This has all changed. This used to just be a little single track road, didn't you? And there wasn't that wall with me there. And you just went on the beach.
Nice,
And there was hardly anybody here.
Yeah.
But obviously they've made it more accessible to people now, so we've got wee barbecue pits there. Cool.
Bit wild camping up here, eh?
I think there's good fishing in there as well.
Cracking. Couple of lovebirds there. No, birds. Oh, she's having a good pump. What are you doing?
I'm just sending a photo to Gavin, because I remember when we used to swim in here. We're on nice man now.
Right.
The ducks in the middle there.
Oh, aye.
Ducklings.
There's two swimmers there.
Aye, so,
Wonder if they're skinny dipping.
no, I don't know.
I'm partially a bit skinny dipping.
Are they?
Aye.